Google AI Studio versus Firebase Studio. So the Google AI Studio is a web-based IDE for prototyping and building generative AI applications using the Gemini family of models. It's designed for both the developers and non-technical users to improve and explore prompt engineering, model tuning, and deployment workflows. So let's talk about the pros and cons of it. So for the pros, it offers streamlined prototyping, seamless export to production, no initial setup required, and it even supports long context Gemini models, up to a million tokens windows, and they have supported across Gemini versions. The cons are though, it is not a full dev IDE. They also have limited collaboration features, it's not optimized for mobile use, and it's only tied to the Google ecosystem. Now the Firebase Studio on the other hand is a cloud-based IDE that merges Project IDX with Gemini-powered agents. It enables building, prototyping, and deploying full-stack AI-enhanced apps all via a browser. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So it offers agentic development. It also has a deep Google platform integration. It offers full browser IDE experiences. And the production ready also has some scaffolding from prototyping to deployment. The cons is though, it is still in the preview, and they have a steep learning curve in order to use it, and there may be some hallucination risk. So overall, choose Google AI Studio if you want to rapidly prototype generative AI workflows, and choose Firebase Studio if you need a full-stack AI app platform combining coding, deployment, and integration while hosting.